We are the best. You want the worst? You go across the street. You want the best? Stay right where you are.
What's goody, what's goody? It is your girl, the best fowler. We are back again with another video. And today we are doing a Halloween set, but we are switching it up. We're doing some different colors, not your typical Halloween. So spoiler alert, we will be using a lot of different purples from a lot of different brands. So what's been going on, guys? I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded. I had been recorded this video. I just didn't have time to do the voiceover, so that's why it's taking so long. Hopefully we can get it up tomorrow though. And today is Thursday, October 26th. It is 2:49 p.m. How are you guys doing? If you're having a good day, drop a smiley face in the comment section. If you're not having the best day, I'm so sorry to hear that. I do hope that my video brings you some joy. Me, I have been doing nothing major really. I've just been working a lot. We have a lot going on at my main job, so that's that. And then when I'm not at work, I'm typically sleeping. If I have not already mentioned, we are taking inspo from another artist for this set today. I will go ahead and show you who the artist is and what their set looks like. I am going to add my matte Beetles top coat to all of my nails. This helps me with creating nail art. On my thumb and my pinky, I create the plaid look, and this design is very simple and easy to do. I just use, like I said, a bunch of those different purples that I have, and I just drew lines. And I think that putting down the matte top coat first helps me to make sure the lines are semi-straight. They don't have to be perfect. Don't think that ever. Nothing is perfect, but you put that top coat on there, everything just blends perfectly together, and you don't even notice if there is anything that's crooked or a little bit offsetting. It makes no difference. And plus, if someone is able to notice that your line is crooked, they're too close. At first, when I was putting the purples together, I was like, this color is a little bit too bright and it's giving me more pink than it is giving me purple. But something told me to just stick with it, and I'm glad I did because it really made the purples pop, if you ask me. Now I'm going to draw a French tip onto my pointer finger. I did do some nail art on top of it, but for some reason I didn't record that. Can anybody tell me why it was so difficult for me to draw stitches on the heart and the square? Maybe it was just like the placement of the heart that was giving me a hard time. I don't know, but I did do this a couple of times because I messed up. It was difficult for me to add the stitches into the heart because the heart was so small, because the nails were so short. If I would have had longer nails, I probably would have been able to execute a lot better. Now we are moving on to the middle finger, and I'm creating the stacked pumpkin. My nails are so short that I can only do 2 pumpkins, but this is my favorite design. Let me know down in the comment section which design is your favorite. This was so easy to do. It's literally just like 2 circles. Now we're going to add this pinkish purplish color, and we're just going to do that as a solid. And then I had the bright idea to add glitter, because what is a nail design without glitter? It's not a nail design. Exactly. So I did this, and then we're going to draw some ghosts, and the ghosts were very easy to do. So for the ghost, we are just taking our dotting tool, our favorite drawing tool, and we're just making some little globs. honestly. I didn't do anything special. I just positioned them pretty sporadically. I didn't think too hard about it or anything like that. I added hands to some, but I noticed that I didn't do it on all of them. That's okay. I take the same dotting tool that I'm using and I go in with black and I just dot some eyes and a mouth onto the ghost. The original creator did a bat French tip nail, but I didn't want to do the bat because the nails are so short and I didn't have a lot of time for this design. As you can see, my other hand is not done. I never did do that other hand. I just polished it the solid pink color with the glitter on top. I never did put any like art or anything on the other hand. I just didn't have time. After this finger, I just do my pinky finger and it's the same as the thumb, the plaid design. I probably switched up the purples and how they were positioned only because I couldn't remember how I did it originally, but for the most part, it is the same as the thumb design. So I do want to thank you guys for watching to the end. Shout out to our new subscribers because we are growing, honey. We are almost to 50 subscribers. Don't play with us. We are not them. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload. And I will talk to you guys next time.